Education for health and biomedical profession is a good big challenge now. If we do not change the way we learn, we will find ourselves in a series of troubles. Our learning is knowledge-based and we cannot compete with more and more smart, fast and complex machines. We have to learn something unique that a machine, however smart, cannot grasp. The value of a universal teamwork in real time. These are the main reasons for which we have shaped an ecosystem that we have called Fuzzy Factory. This is what we have achieved. A safe and secure place where clinicians can share videos and pictures from all over the world. An international environment designed for nurses. A secure meeting point for all professionals working for patient care. A permanent campus where students can meet in real time, sharing experience. A reserved, comfortable and safe platform designed for patients. And finally, an instant message and a secure conference call platform. These are just some of the solutions and advantages. Real-time surgeries for professionals, training video library for medical students, secure and protected direct contact between the patient and his favorite doctor. Fuzzy Factory Learning to Reality, the augmented reality platform for health and biomedical profession. If you like this project, let's stay in touch.